Okay, this is homework problem, oh no, I don't know, number 6 for our section 3.7, nets and surface area. Draw a net for this pentagonal prism. It's a prism because it has 2 parallel congruent faces. So I'll begin the net by taking one of my bases. And you don't have to start with a base, I just prefer to. And I'll draw it here. The textbook describes a net as cutting along the edges of a 3D polyhedron, right? And then laying it flat so that it becomes a flat, 2-dimensional shape that can be folded back up into the original 3-dimensional shape. So I have my first base drawn, and now I'm going to start drawing the rectangular faces that share an edge. So this edge would be this edge, and then I'll draw a rectangular face off of it. Again, I'm smashing it flat. I'll now take this edge, and that will be my hinge. I would be cutting along this line, cutting here and cutting here. And then that edge is here, so I now have another rectangle off of this side. I will draw this one in next. That would come down here. And then this back one would be here. And I am running out of colors. This one right here would be off to here. And as you may notice, I'm missing this back base. Where does it go? Well, to be truthful, I could put it on the end of any one of these faces because all of those colors I drew share an edge with that back side. So it doesn't really matter which one I choose. I have to just think about what's going to be easiest for me to find surface area later on. There is a common edge here between this, which is here, and the back. So I'm going to put my last base, this base right here, down below. This is going to be difficult. I have to draw it upside down. So this is the front. This is the back. And I could label all the other sides as well. Bottom, top right, something like that. But for now, I think that will do. Remember, there's a lot of different ways that you can draw a net. It just has to be representing all of the surfaces of the 3-dimensional object, and it must be able to fold back up into the original object.